Hello everyone, welcome to my channel So Delicious. Today's recipe is a very different one, an easy and tasty chocolate orange brownie. So without any further ado, let's start. Here I've taken one navel orange. I'm going to cut it from the top like this, and with the help of spoon I'm going to scoop all of the pulp out. Do not throw the pulp, keep it aside. Just like this. Now the scooped orange, just keep it aside. Let's move on to melt the dark chocolate. For that, in a double boiler, take half cup of dark chocolate chunks. To this, add half teaspoon of butter. This is salted butter and it is in room temperature. To this, add 2 teaspoon of milk and melt this properly. Once you come to this consistency, add 1 tablespoon of butter to it. Adding butter will give it a very good shine. Also, you do not have to add any extra salt to the dry ingredients. Take it out and transfer it to a mixing bowl. In a sifter, take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Sift all of this to the mixing bowl. Now I am going to add half cup of powdered sugar. You can increase the amount if you like it more sweet. And then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can skip this part. If you have vanilla, do add it. Mix this well. And then add half cup of milk to it. Half cup of milk is more than enough if you have taken all the dry ingredients as per my measurement. And bring it to this thick batter consistency. Don't make it to flowing consistency, as this is not a cake batter but a brownie batter. So keep it thick. To this, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of orange zest. This is the same orange, the top part of the orange I had cut. Do not throw it. Keep it aside after taking the zest off it. Give it a gentle mix. To this, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of orange juice. If you need more flavor of orange, add 1/3 cup of milk. Give it a good mix and then add 1/4 cup of orange juice to it. Do not add milk and orange juice together, as it might turn into buttermilk. So first add milk, give it a mix and then add orange juice. So the brownie batter is ready. I'm going to pour it to this orange shell. With this batter, you can make around 4 orange brownies. And yeah, do not fill the batter completely in the orange. Filling it 3/4 is more than enough, because the batter will rise. That is why if you fill it completely, everything will be out. So filling it 3/4 is enough. Now I'm going to clean the excess batter from the edges of the orange. Now take a sheet of aluminum foil, cover the top part and then wrap the aluminum foil around the orange, just like a ball. Now this orange is ready to steam. Now this steamer is being preheated for 5 minutes on high flame. Keep the oranges. If you do not have this steamer, just take a kadai, fill 1/4 water in it, keep a stand, keep a plate, keep these oranges, cover the lid and steam it for approximately 20 to 30 minutes on medium flame. So after 30 minutes, I'm going to take these oranges out. Take it very carefully as it's very hot. Unwrap the foil. Looks like the brownie has cooked. Let's take the top part. It's very hot, so I'm going to use a fork. And yeah, the brownie has perfectly cooked from inside and out. So 30 minutes on medium flame is enough for the brownie to cook. I'm going to garnish it with some crushed peanuts. You can use any of your favorite dry fruits or chocolate syrup. And now I'm going to make a snowfall on it. I mean, dust some icing sugar on it just to make it look pretty. You can also add chocolate syrup or melted chocolate, anything. And yeah, this beautiful and delicious chocolate orange brownie is ready to serve. Do give this recipe a try, and if you do not forget to mention in the comment sections. Bye bye.